Hi guys, so the question is short with step. Let's define a permutation of length n as an array p of length n, which contain every number of 1 to n exactly once. You are given a permutation p1, p2 till pn and a number k. You need to sort this permutation in ascending order. In order to do it, you can repeat the following operation in any number of times possible 0. Pick two elements of permutation pi and pj such that I minus j is equal to k and swap them. Okay, unfortunately some permutation can't be sorted with some fixed numbers k. For example, it is important to sort this number under square bracket 2431 with k is equal to 2. That's why before starting the sorting, you can make at most one permutation exchange. Choose any pair pi to pj and swap them. Your task is to check whether it is possible to sort the permutation without any primary exchange. If it's not, check whether it is possible to sort the permutation using exactly one primary exchange. For example, if k is equal to 2 and permutation 2431, okay, then you can make a preliminary exchange of p1 and p4 will be produced permutation 1432, which is possible to sort k. Okay, so what we have to output for each test case, print 0 if it possible to sort the permutation without preliminary exchange, 1 if it possible to sort the permutation with one preliminary exchange but not possible without preliminary exchange, -1 if not possible to sort permutation at most one primary exchange. Okay, so what the question is, you have a permutation array containing 1 to n exactly and you want to sort it in ascending order. Okay, you can perform swap, but the restriction is you can swap the element only if their position differ by exactly position I and j, where I and j I minus j is equal to k. The twist is some permutation cannot be sorted in this restriction, so you are allowed at most one preliminary swap. Okay, so the key question is for us is for each test case output 0 1 -1, how will it come? Okay, so let me show you the code. I have already written the solution. Here's the code. First we will take the input n and k, then we will declare a variable p, enter all the valuable inside the p, then int bat we will declare a new array, and inside that array what we are going to do, first we will run a for loop. In this for loop we will apply a if condition. If pi -1 mod k is not equal to I mod k, then bat dot push I, so that the value of I will be pushed at bat array. Okay, then in this condition, if bat is empty, output 0, else if bat dot size is equal to 0, then output what? 1, else -1 at both, and if both the cases does not satisfy, the final answer would be -1. Okay, but here you have to see what we are doing. pi -1 mod is the same. Okay, I mean p at index I -1 mod k equal to j mod k, and p at j index minus k mod k is equal to I mod k will be what? 1. Okay, else -1. So yeah guys, let me run the code to explain, show you. I have already run this code. Let's compile it first. Copy the all test cases, now paste it. All the answers are correct. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.